Hello, today we're reading Construction Site. Clank, vroom, boom. What's that noise? We're at the construction site. Put on your hard hat and let's go see. Construction workers wear hard hats to protect their heads. Push. A bulldozer clears the land, moving rocks and rubble out of the way. Tracks around the wheels help it crawl on uneven ground. The big metal plate in front is called a blade. The dump truck hauls rubble away to a dumping site. The box at the back tilts to pour out all the things inside. Tip: the largest dump truck in the world is so big you need stairs to get into it. Everything is cleared and it's time for the excavators to do its work. Scoop! It has a long arm with a bucket on the end, which makes big holes in the ground. An excavator is also called a digger. Munch, munch. It's time for lunch. The food truck has rolled up to the site and everyone is hungry. What will you order? Roll, roll. The heavy drum on the steamroller slowly revolves, flattening everything below. Steamrollers make the ground firm and strong. Spin. What's in the back of this mixer? It's concrete! The large drum goes around and around to keep the concrete wet until it's ready to be poured out. Once the concrete is poured, it will take a few hours to harden. Honk honk. The delivery truck arrives, stacked high with things the builders will need. Big trucks often need lots of wheels to support all the weight they can carry. How many wheels can you count? Let's see, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clank. A crane is used to lift heavy things and move them to the right spot. It has a long arm called a boom. Beep beep. This little forklift can lift and move big boxes. It's called a forklift because of the steel forks that slide under heavy objects. Vroom. Dirt flies as the trencher digs pits for pipes and cables that will go underground. The trencher has sharp teeth that work together to break up the hard ground. Woo woo! The whistle blows and the day is done, but the construction workers and their big machines will be back in the morning. The end. And a special shout out to Charles and William. I love y'all. Have a good night. Bye bye.